Toro 450 Lawnmower Instructions. The Toro 450 is a push lawnmower ideal for cutting small residential lawns and backyards. The mower is powered by a 4-horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine with a recyclable discharge bag and 21-inch blade. Proper startup and operating techniques are critical to safe and efficient operation of your Toro 450. Things you'll need: 10 watts 30 oil, unleaded gasoline. Fill the crankcase with oil before operating the lawnmower. The oil capacity on the 450 is 1.25 pints. Do not fill the oil past the max oil marker on the dipstick. Initially, the crankcase must be filled with 20 ounces of 10 watts 30 oil. The dipstick is located near the top of the engine. Remove the dipstick and add the oil, then securely reattach. Add gasoline to the Toro 450 before starting. The fuel capacity is listed as 1.5 quarts. Use unleaded gasoline like the type you find at a standard gas station. The gas cap is near the top of the engine. Unscrew the cap and add the gasoline, then reattach the cap securely. Attach the spark plug wire onto the spark plug, which is located near the side of the engine. It appears as a thin tube that must be inserted into a rounded base. The mower will not start without the spark plug wire attached. Turn the mower on its side to adjust each of the wheels to set desired cutting height. Squeeze the mower's height of cut lever towards the inside of the wheel and then slide the wheel to the desired height on the mowing deck. You will hear a click-like noise that signals the lever is engaged within the mower deck. Repeat for the other wheel and be sure the settings match. The letter A signifies the shortest cut and E is the longest cut. Move the throttle switch located on the left handle in the choke position. Then squeeze together the control bar and top handle of the Toro 450. With the handles squeezed together and the throttle in the choke position, pull the recoil wire vigorously upwards until the engine starts. This may take several attempts. Switch the throttle to either fast or slow after the engine starts. Push the lawnmower in the direction you wish it to go. In order to stop the lawnmower, you must release the control bar, which will kill the engine. Toro recommends disconnecting the spark plug wire if you plan on storing the mower for an extended period.